In this demo, I will be taking the place of an analyst. Through a real-life scenario, you will see how this persona interacts with Pulse to fulfill a specific objective. Let's begin. I received a request from the design team to evaluate a whole geometry. They want to know if the displacement on the central part of the body is greater than 3 mm when a uniform pressure is applied to it. They have shared with me the HM file, the Pulse project file, batch meshing input files, and the pressure force values. Okay, let's open the project to comply with this design request. The orchestrators usually define some project parameters, so I better fill those out. Let's check the study properties. Oh, he has also added a help file. Good, because it has been quite some time since I executed this one. Okay, now I remember some interactive work must be done under the pressure setup task. And everything seems ready. So I am good to go with the execution. I am leaving the default parameters of this first task, just making sure that the reader is set to HM and the file name is correct. For the setup task, I am leaving the default material values, and if I remember well, the thickness value is 12. Let's go ahead with 1.2 force value for the evaluation. Okay, so I will select the nodes in both reinforcements using the bypath method. And the SPCs have been created properly. Now the elements to apply the force using biphase method, and perfect. Let's solve this structural analysis using Altair. Oh, I forgot I can make it faster. I will definitely not redo the whole process, so let's restart it from here. There we go. More cores now. Okay, let's check the results. I am going to make sure that the displacements are not greater than 3, so I can validate the design team request. And perfect. It seems it has passed the test. I'm going to change the name so other analysts know what I have made. And I will create 2 more studies by duplicating the current one, and then I will change the name according to the pressure value that I will be going to evaluate. And that's all done. So let's save the project so I can share it.